Tips on how to get your Japan visa approved. So, I recently applied for a multiple entry visa in Japan, tapos na-approve siya. And siguro ang mabibigay kong tips, regardless if single entry or multiple entry yung i-apply nyo is, una, dapat you should have more than enough money sa inyong bank account. Halimbawa, ang budget nyo for your Japan trip is 50K. So, yung laman ng bank account nyo, dapat more than 50K. Like, wag nyong sagarin na 50K lang yung laman. Next, yung itinerary nyo, dapat realistic siya and doable. So, kung halimbawa yung trip nyo sa Japan is 5 days lang, huwag kayo maglalagay ng itinerary na pupunta kayo ng Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, parang lahat ng prefectures, nilagay nyo na dun kasi imposible nyo siyang magawa in 5 days. And lastly is dapat yung documents na isasubmit nyo ay complete. So, kung meron kayong documents na hindi mapapasa, make sure na mag-provide kayo ng explanation or cover letter kung bakit hindi nyo siya masasubmit.